Yes, children, look at here. So, volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Always these two you have to connect together and study. Clear, children? Next, same way you study this volume of a cuboid. What is volume of a cuboid? LBH. Same way volume of cube equal to
A cube.
A cube, that is A into A. When you connect this, there is no LBH for the cube. It is A only. So, when you study these two, together you study.
Let's write that.
You write it. Children, I sent some questions. Did you get it? Question and answers?
Yes, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall I give some questions to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 1. The height and the slant height. The height and the slant height. Height and the slant height. Height and the slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter. 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter. Find the volume of the cone. Find the volume of the cone. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So when you get a question, you have to list out the given things. Yes, children. It is given that height and slant height of a cone. What are the letters? Height.
S, L, and H.
H
L and H.
equal to how much?
28
21. And slant height means which letter? Slant height, which letter, children?
L.
L equal to 28 centimeter. And what is the volume of a cone?
1/3 pi
1
r
by 3 pi r square h. But where is r? How will you find r from here? How will you find r? Do you know the relationship between the radius of the cone and Pythagoras theorem, like this? Radius h and l, r and r, h and l. Okay. So how will you find r? R equal to, how can you write? Root of L square minus H square. And it is root of 28 square minus 21 square. Find out the value, children. Root of
7 root
7 root 7. How did you get 7 root 7? What is 28 square? Yes, what is 28 square? What is 28 square?
784.
784. Okay. 784. And what is 21 square?
441.
441. Subtract it. What will you get? Is it 343? 343, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can find the prime factorization. For we need the for our calculation, instead of that 343, if you do the prime factorization, it will be better. Okay. Okay, children. Can you find out?
Yes, ma'am.
How much? What is the prime factorization, children? 7 into 7 into 7. 7. 1 7 we can take out. Another 7 will come in the bracket. After doing the prime factorization, it will be easy for us to cancel it. Okay. Now volume equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into 22 by 7 into r square is 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 into h is
21.
21. Now it is easy for us to cancel. 7 got cancelled. 3 got cancelled here are 7 itself. So lot of 7s. 22 into root 7 into root 7 into 7 into 7. So 22 into root 7 into root 7 is 7 itself. 7 into 7 is 49. Find out the answer.
7,546.
7,546 centimeter cube.
Please scroll up, ma'am.
Yes?
Please scroll up.
Okay, is this enough?
I can see that.
Huh?
Now, okay.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now shall I erase it?
Yes, ma'am. One answer 52,000.
1 minute. 1 minute. Did you see the answer?
Ma'am didn't see the answer, ma'am.
Oh, this one. Okay. Next question. In our textbook, there are some very direct questions like this. Find the volume of a right circular cone with radius 6 and height 7, radius 3.5 and height 12. Like that, direct questions are there. That will give us a homework. Okay? Okay, children? 4 questions, direct. Then, second question. The height of a cone is the height of a cone is 15 centimeter. Height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of its base. Find the radius of its base. Will you do it? Will you do it, children? Read the question and will you try to do? Hello?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are feeling any difficulties? You tell me. We will try discuss the answers. Is there any problem with the Synabus videos? Camera? Hadidi? Hadi, Savio? Is it necessary that every day you should call your name like this? Okay, anyone got the answer?
No, ma'am.
Yeah,
Oh, yo,
ma'am.
do one thing. 1 minute.
Ma'am.
The value pi equal to 3.14. Sorry, children, I did not write that. 3.14. It is very important. It was very
Yes,
important.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, sorry. Sorry, children. Now you try, you will get. Very easily you will get the answer. Okay. 1 by 3 pi.
10 centimeters.
Yes. 10 centimeter. Yes, correct. 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 1570. 1 by 3 into 3.14 into r square into what is h? 15 equal to 1570. Okay, so r square equal to 1570 into 3 by 3.14 into 15. Okay, children, let us cut short it. Okay, this 3 and 15, 5 times. Then this 5 and this 15 is 3, 1, 4. Did you see that? 314 by 3.14. How many times, children? Did you get it?
Ma'am, 10 times.
100. R square is 100. So R equal to root of 100 equal to 10 centimeter. Sorry that I did not tell the value of value of pi. Now shall I wind up the class? Hello, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Yes. Hello. Do you have any doubt? One more question I'll give. Some 3 minutes
Ma'am,
are
no
there.
time, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I'll give the question and you do as a homework. Okay, children. If the volume of a right circular cone is 48 pi centimeter cube and height 9 centimeter. Find the diameter of its base. Diameter of its base. See children, here volume is 48 pi. No need of calculating this. It is purposely given that it is 48 pi because 1 by 3 pi r square is the formula. So you can cancel this pi from both sides. So no need of multiplying with that pi and find the answer. Clear children? Did you understand?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand? Okay. Volume is
ma'am.
1 by 3 pi r square. And answer is 48 pi. No need of multiply. It is purposely given that 48 pi because you can cancel that pi from both sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So that is some special type of questions. It will be given like that. No need of
Yes, ma'am.
multiplying. Just cancel it. Okay, children. Now shall I wind up?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So do the homeworks.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.